Hey guys, welcome back to the Storage View Lab. Today I want to show you some of the changes I've made to help improve the way we shoot video. Video takes a different approach where you need to worry more about light and you need to worry more about background noise. Through some of my usual trial and error, I've come up with some solutions for these problems that have been helping us speed up our production workflow. First up is our new lighting setup. Alexa, lights on. Shooting video takes a lot of light where the focus isn't on just making the room brighter but also reducing shadows. As we've been working on most of our videos in the data center, additional LED lights have been added around the room. This includes 8 front-facing panels adding extra illumination in front of our servers, as well as 4 additional lights on top of the racks. The lights that have been working well for us are 2200 lumen panels with a color temperature of 4000 K. The next part deals with background noise. We can't escape it entirely in the data center, and in many scenarios we like having our video since much of our work is shown off in use. No data center is silent unless it has lost all power. To that extent, we've added some automation in the lab with the help of Alexa. Alexa, cooling off. Being a fresh air cooled lab, we have some pusher fans that run during the colder seasons that move warm air from our lab back into the HVAC system. We have both fans connected to an Amazon Smart Outlet controlled by an Echo Flex. With some simple voice commands, we can turn the fans off before we start shooting video instead of pulling the plug in different parts of the lab. Finally, we've had different comments on why we choose to shoot video in the lab and not some quieter spot. The lab is a part of our day-to-day workflow at Storage View, an essential component of how we review equipment. We'll work on ways to minimize background noise in the future, but for now we have fun showing off the hardware we get to play with. The lab and all of its fan noise will be here to stay, although we'll work on improvements that may help in the future.